another installation, another boiler going in. What we're going to do, what we've got through here, it's got to come through with me. We've got a nice little boiler room in here. We've got a boiler floor standing there. We've got our flue going through the chimney and up there. And we've got our cylinder there. Now, because we haven't got a lot of room there, what we're going to do, we're going to upgrade all this. We're going to put the new boiler same position. We're going to put a flue to go through the ceiling and through the roof. With that, and we're going to put the cylinder, this is a larger cylinder, quite a large property, we want more capacity in the cylinder. So we're going to put the cylinder here, boiler there, and we're going to do what we call an update to fully pumped S-plan. That just means you can control heating without hot water without heating. So we're going to have all that set up here, connect to our pipes, and that's it really. So once again, long guarantees of our installations, and that's it. So we'll have all this up and running tomorrow, and it's all good. Thank you. That's the boiler out, cylinder's out, get this in the van in a minute, and that's it really. So the worst part of the job's done, getting out all the old boiler etc, and now what we can do, we can start building a new system, and that's it. Thank you. Okay then, so what I'm going to do is take the flue through this roof, so a little bit of roof work, we do all that, and just so that, you know, it could come out the wall, but with oil, when the children are playing or you're sitting down having a cup of tea or a bit of lunch or what, you don't want the flue coming out if you don't have to. So I'll take it through the roof. As long as it's a certain distance away from my window, so there's plenty of room away from that. So that's all good. And let's have a look inside of here. What we've got, everything's all out, cylinder's out, boiler's out. So what we're going to do here is we're going to give the customer the option, because it's a nice boiler room, but obviously we don't want to just stick the boiler in the way there or the cylinder. So we'll give the customer an option. What I'm thinking personally, probably the cylinder there with the boiler next to it there. And as long as we've got our service clearance for service and maintenance for the future, then we're all good. So what I'll do is I'll show you when this is all configured and piped up and done at the end of the day. Okay, brilliant. Okay then, installation currently in motion. Here we go, boiler in situ, cylinder in situ, cylinder's all piped up. Coming up there, pump, zone valve for the heating, another zone valve going to be for the hot water. Wiring centres on the wall, we're going to wire up the pump, the motorised valves, the boiler, the cylinder thermostat, and a Hive smart control, so you can do it on the phone or do it on the thermostat on the wall, whatever they want to do. So, another 10 minutes, I've all this piped up, I'm going to do the flue through the roof, and that's it really. Get it all filled up, give it a flush round, then add my inhibitor, commission it, and hand it over to the customer. Very happy, thank you very much. Okay then, end of the day, flue's in, tiling's done, flashing's all nice and tucked under, so it's all weatherproof. Let's have a look at the final product. So with this one, done in a day. Here we go, look. We got flue, got a nice bracket to finish it off, clip there, here's the boiler all done. What we've got, right, this is our cylinder here, and we just put new valves on, because all the old valves were all seized. All wired into our wiring centre here, and what you've got here, this round here, is the magnetic filter, and you've got your motorised valves. If you can just see them here, and your Grundfos central heating pump. So all the setups there, as you can see, all nicely neat, wired into the wiring centre. There's our Hive, that's the receiver, so that talks to the actual wireless Hive control. So that's it really, all up and running, all tested, all commissioned, heat tested, and it's all good, so thank you.